In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a PayPal gift card. If you've recently acquired a PayPal gift card, you might have noticed there's no direct option to enter a gift card code on PayPal itself. It can be a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a few straightforward methods to get that balance into your PayPal account. Let's start with understanding the nature of your PayPal gift card. If your gift card functions as a prepaid card, you're in luck as you can use it for purchases immediately. Here's how you can do that. When you're shopping online and ready to check out, select PayPal as your payment method. Once you log in, you'll need to add your prepaid gift card as a payment option. You do this by entering the card details just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. It's as simple as that, and you can start enjoying using your balance right away. Now, some prepaid cards offer a unique feature that allows you to transfer the card's balance straight to your PayPal account. To do this, you'll need to head over to the website listed on your gift card. Follow their specific instructions to initiate the transfer of funds. It's a convenient option if you prefer having the gift card balance available directly in your PayPal account. Moving on, let's explore another scenario. If you've purchased a PayPal gift card code from websites like G2A or similar, you can use a platform called Rewardable as a workaround to get those funds into your PayPal. First, purchase your PayPal gift card code from a site like G2A. Once you have that, head over to reward.com, enter your gift card code, and provide your PayPal email address. Once the process is completed, the funds will be sent directly to your PayPal account. Be aware this method might take a bit longer, but it's an excellent way to add funds indirectly using gift cards without hassle. And there you have it. Whether you're utilizing your PayPal gift card as a direct payment method or transferring it via a third-party platform, you now have the know-how to make the most of your gift card. Just a quick reminder, always be cautious and use only trusted websites when handling gift cards online to ensure your security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and drop any questions you might have in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.